Did you know that eating too much can make you sick? Well, it can. This evening in the Health Report, Jamaica Mitchell looks at overeating, which is seen especially during the holiday season.
Health report: overeating is having too much food than your body needs, especially so that you feel uncomfortably full. According to consultant laparoscopic and general surgeon Dr. Lindbergh Simpson, people who enjoy too much holiday food can get sick.
So it depends on how often they do and how much. So if somebody has decides a week of parties, so they're eating out Christmas Eve, they eat out Christmas Day, they eat Boxing Day, they eat a whole lot more, then it can be really, patients can get really uncomfortable.
Dr. Simpson says persons who have known medical problems are the ones at greater risk.
People who are known to have a problem with their digestive system, such as gallstone disease, or patients who have reflux disease. Those people are at greater risk because already if you eat too much, it can cause a gallstone attack. They can start to have acute cholecystitis where they get severe abdominal pain, vomiting, etc., and they may need an urgent operation. People who have reflux disease, if they eat too much, the food is already prone to coming up the stomach. They may vomit, or they may regurgitate food coming out through the nose.
Dr. Simpson says persons should eat in moderation.
If you are at an event where there's a lot of food on offer, try to take small amounts, try to drink some water in between, and definitely if you are feeling full, try to stop.
With your health report, I'm Jamaica Mitchell wishing you good health. Health report